Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to delete all cloud drafts on Telegram app. Go to your phone menu. Find the Telegram app and tap on it. Click on the left menu. Now go to Settings. Under Settings section, tap on Data and Storage. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. Tap on Delete all cloud drafts. Tap on Delete. That's it, all cloud drafts are now cleared. This is how you can delete all the cloud drafts on Telegram app. Thank you for watching.